guys, welcome back. Today's episode in the back of my F-150 because tailgate does not want to open. Got it all loaded up here and it's not opening. So we're gonna take the whole plate comes right off of here and then we can get in there and figure out just what we got going on. 30 it is. Okay, well that's broke right there. So I'll open this manually like this. Show you what's up. So that's what pulls. And as you can tell, this is supposed to be right in there. And it was not. The piece just fell down in here. I do know that Dorman sells this little piece right here that you can buy the whole thing. But we're gonna fix this the AGM way. I ain't got any money way with a zip tie. All right, then we keep that right in there like that. So as you just saw, my temporary fix was a no-go. So that was, I don't know, 5-6 days ago, and I ordered this little kit off Amazon. And these right here are going to be what we need. So you can buy, I don't know, you can buy little bags that have just these in them for about the same price. You can get all of this, which has like fairly certain that this is the Fox body one. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of different clips in here that I can use for other vehicles. I will put a link to these in the description so you guys can get these as well. Both Ford and GM use this same clip according to the website. It's a dead ringer, see? It's even got the 3 lines on the top. This is 100% the one that we're using right here. So let's go ahead and replace these. Yeah, for whatever reason that just wasn't pulling. It's weird because it's fine unless it's actually latched. And you know, also, while we have this apart, I'm going to get in here and kind of lube up some of these points, just get us in a better spot. I am going to replace this one too, so I don't got to deal with this again in the near future. So let me grab some stuff real quick to Johnny disassemble all this, and then I'll also get probably, I don't know, PB Blaster or WD-40 something, and go in here with a little toot. Oh crap, I might need my smaller ones. I'm just going to get down underneath it and pry up. Like so. Should be able to just unscrew this because this is just threaded. Looks like the back side's a smidge different, but it should work out just fine, I think. So we'll go ahead and just take these and we're just going to push them straight down in. Push that straight down. Hopefully I can make that a little bit more visible to you on the other one. Okay. So I'm going to give that just a little bit of a squeeze, push that down, then fold this right over. Wow, this is way less brittle than the other one. Now we'll do that, and we've got a few lubrication points here that we're going to and then back in here, if you have the lock on yours, probably a good idea to do back in here too. one more lube point for these. If you have the lock, is you got to go right inside of here. There's a little door right there that you got to push open. Come on, damn it. Yeah, for a long time I've had to pull this thing all the way up to the top. I also want to make sure that we're locking okay. Cool. So happy that's fixed. If you're wondering why there's Dr. Pepper back here, I didn't throw it back here, but I'm told it's expired. Yes, it is. 2023. So the only thing left to do now is look back and say, yep, I did it. You drink. Take care.